Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with all of you a very easy, tasty recipe that you saw it already and I'm sure you wanted to know how to make it. It's so simple and it's things that you have in your pantry, in your refrigerator, and you don't have even to go to any supermarket. So we are going to do a flan, a simple flan with only white eggs. Yes, you hear right, with only white eggs. So it's like very smooth, very tasty, and it's so simple that you can make it, and I'm sure the kids and any elderly people will love it because it has a lot of taste. So let's start to make it. Here I have this mold. It's a simple mold and it's small because I'm only using 4 eggs. Let's start making our sugar, caramelized sugar. Before I started to do the caramel, I have my oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, that is 180 Celsius. Now we start to add our sugar. Here I have a cup of sugar to start doing our caramel. I'm going to add a little bit of water to make the caramel. To caramelize sugar is very simple. You have to be very careful when you do that because it's very hot and it can be very dangerous for you. And let the sugar melt it and get it like in a goldish, brownish color. Our sugar is already caramelized, so now we are going to transfer it to our mold or baking pan. Now we are going to separate the yolk from the egg white and beat the egg white until they are peaks. Whisk it until firm. We want the egg white to be really firm, so we cannot have any trace of yolk egg because that will prevent it. I put a pinch of salt to the white eggs. We start with a manual, you can use another blender. Going to put a little bit of sugar. I'm going to put 1 spoon for each egg. And now, para give some flavor, I'm going to put some lemon juice. That is half of lemon juice. And I'm going to put it there. That is the consistency, you see. And now we are going to put in our flan, and very carefully we start putting our white eggs. So now I have a crystal container, oven proof. Now we cook it in a water bath in the oven. I have my oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, 180, so I'm going to put it in the oven approximately 35 minutes or until I see that it's done. And we set the timer for 35 minutes. Okay, that is our beauty. It has been in the oven for like 35 minutes. Let it cool down a little bit before unmold it. Put a flat dish y lo mold y simplemente that is our recipe of this week. It doesn't look amazing. I have to try it. It's so good. honestly. It's so good. You feel the touch of the lemon on the meringue, and it's smooth. Oh, really, really good. I highly recommend it. I hope you have enjoyed that wonderful, easy, and fantastic flan. And if so, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I'm looking forward to see you next Thursday. Have a super wonderful week. Bye bye.